So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this slick hairstyle using only Smooth and Shine products. So I recently partnered up with Smooth and Shine, and they went through some major rebranding late last year, and they have all these cool new products for curly hairstyles and straight hairstyles. So I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some of the products that I use to style my hair on a daily basis. So check it out. I mean, here we go. So I just washed my hair and towel dried it, so it's just a little bit damp. So I'm gonna start by putting this curl defining mousse. I don't know if you guys see it. It's a curl defining mousse, and I'm gonna put a little bit in my hair, just to give it a little bit more wetness, and honestly to keep it just from like freezing up after I put the gel in it. And then I'm gonna put the curl defining cream. I'm gonna put the curl defining cream in there because even though I'm gelling my hair down, I still want to like keep my hair a little curly. So I'm just gonna put a little bit and just rub it in there, and yeah, and then I'm gonna take my comb and comb it out. I like using the mousse and the cream because it keeps my hair soft and it's like easy to comb through. But then again, I just washed it. But if my hair was like dry and I hadn't just washed it, I would still use those two products first because it just makes it easier to keep your hair soft and easy to comb through. Yeah, so I'm gonna take my comb with the pointy edge and like put like a little part in my hair because I like to have a little part. So I'm gonna use the styling gel. It's really nice. I like it. It has black seed and coconut oil, and I'm gonna use it to just style it down. I take a lot. I'm first gonna put it by like where I parted my hair, so it doesn't like cover up anymore. So I'm just gonna use it to style down the part so it stays put. After I've put enough gel, I go ahead and I take a bristle brush, and I just brush it down. So I'm gonna give it that, and I usually use this because it flattens it more, because just after the gel sometimes it's easy for like your hair to like start coming up. But with the bristle brush, you just brush everything back, and it just gives you that extra lay and slickness that you need. So I went to the bathroom actually, and I fixed my line because it wasn't working. I couldn't really see with my phone, using my phone as a mirror or whatever. So I went and I fixed it a little bit so you can see better. It's much more straighter. But yeah, so after you've gelled down, did your little part and all that stuff, I now use a do-rag, and I just tie my hair with it because you need it to like lay flat. I usually do this overnight. It's better when you do it overnight so that you can sleep in this, and when you wake up tomorrow, it's like much more nicer and flatter. But you can definitely do this before you leave the house too. It's just that you won't be able to put a durag on it, and it's really cold outside here in New York, and you don't want to be walking around like that. Or you can also do it like this if you have time before you leave the house, like, you know, an hour or two. It's not gonna be as good as if you did it overnight, but it would at least work a little better. So I just usually put a durag, and yeah. Just tie it around, and yep, and that's it. So I usually leave it like this, and I go to sleep, and you know, when I wake up, it's all done.